What it do, YouTube? I'm back with another video. So I'm back here with Patricia. Patricia's my 2018 Nissan Altima, and today I had a messed up undercarriage, and I'll be installing it, and I'll be recording the whole process to show you guys how to get shit done on your own.
We're gonna spin again.
Tell him, bro.
Fuck it, we gon' spin again. Shawty said she love me cause a nigga not no middleman. You steady on your dick, running errands with a middleman. Tag me in the comments if it's pressure, we gon' spin again. Up in the bank, got a check, so she dance on me. All you niggas track around and win, y'all some crash dummies. Lose all the gas, let her run.
So these are the only tools you will need to get the job done. So first we have the socket set, then we have these little plastic clips here which you will use to clip the undercarriage, and this is the undercarriage itself. Now let's get to it. First you have to screw the top part of the undercarriage onto the front bumper. Now all that's left is to add on the clips and fasten the undercarriage onto the car.
We're gonna spin again.